Don't be afraid of inequalities. I cannot tell you how many times I've worked with students. They look at a question and are like, oh, it's not an equal sign, it's greater than or less than. And they freak out, they short circuit, they don't even attempt it. Attempt it, do it, get it right. My name is Paul Pasolka, Ivy Masters Learning Center, ivymasters.com. And today we're going to look at Test 1, Section 4, number 18, which reads, in the xy plane, if 0, 0 is a solution to the system of inequalities above, which of the following relationships between A and B must be true? Simple rule. If you see an equation or an inequality with a coordinate, plug it in. It says it's a solution, so it's got to work in both equations. Even if it doesn't make sense why you're plugging it in, just plug it in. That's a thing you have to do 99% of the time. So check out the top equation. If my coordinate is 0, 0, in place of the y, I'm going to put 0. And then I put my less than sign. And then in place of the x, I put 0 plus a. And 0 is less than negative 0, really no such thing. It's just 0. 0 plus a is going to be a. Boom. Second equation. We've got y is greater than x plus b. In place of y, you put 0. Your greater than sign. In place of x, you put 0 plus b. Once again, because 0, 0 is your coordinate. You get that 0 is greater than b. Okay. When we look at our answer choices, the answer choices are consolidated. We've got two separate inequalities right now. When we look at the way the signs are facing, they're facing this way. So what do? We've got to make sure, remember, it's a hungry alligator and it wants to eat the bigger value. So notice here, it's eating the A. I got to make sure it's still eating the A. Over here, it's pointing at the B. I got to make sure it's pointing at the B. Well, actually, I could put 0 and then fill in and B, and that's kind of expanded form. But if I just distilled it down, if A is greater than 0, which is greater than B, then A simply is greater than B. I could just take the 0 out, and that works. So notice that matches answer choice A. That is your correct answer. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has trouble or is intimidated by these inequalities. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. And click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Have a great day.